Thank you for choosing ACE Septic Waste. We're honored to be a part of your septic system installation. This video walks you through each phase: permitting, scheduling, installation, and completion, so you know exactly what to expect. Once your permit fee is received, your project is officially underway. You'll get a welcome email with the next steps, and your permit application will be submitted to the Department of Health within 7 business days of receiving all required documents. Approval typically takes 1 to 5 weeks, depending on your county. We'll keep you updated throughout the way. Once your permit is in hand, we'll notify you right away and send you a copy. Your deposit invoice will arrive at that time. Please note, your deposit must be paid before installation can be scheduled. Once your deposit is received, your project manager will call to schedule your final walkthrough and installation date. During the walkthrough, a manager will walk the property with you and outline where your system will be installed. If you prefer, this could also be handled over the phone. Once your date is confirmed, materials will be delivered to your property ahead of time so everything is ready when our crew arrives. Installation typically takes 2 days. Day 1 is excavation and removal of any portion of the existing system being replaced. Day 2, your new system is installed before the system is covered with sand. It must pass inspection. After inspector approval, ACE will cover the system and grade the area. Depending on your property, slope stabilization using seed, hay, or sod may be required to prevent erosion. Unless otherwise noted in your contract, sod is the homeowner's responsibility. Just notify us with photos when it's done so we can schedule any final inspections needed. If no mound is present, stabilization typically isn't required and the permit can be finalized at cover. Your final payment is due when the inspector has approved your system to be covered after installation. You'll receive a closeout packet with your warranty, permit, final invoice, installation photos, and supporting documentation. Thank you again for choosing ACE Septic Waste. We look forward to working with you.